All right, Cadillac fans, it's time to sit up because this one's gonna make you feel something. The 2026 Cadillac Seville is not just another luxury sedan. It's a resurrection. A bold, unapologetic statement that American luxury still knows how to lead, not follow. And if you think the Seville name was just a thing of the past, think again. Because this time, it's coming back with fire in its veins, electricity in its soul, and elegance written all over its body. The 2026 Cadillac Seville is designed for those who refuse to settle, for those who believe refinement and raw power should coexist in perfect harmony. Cadillac has taken everything it's learned from the Escalade IQ and the Celestiq and infused it into a sedan that feels like the future, wrapped in heritage. This is not nostalgia. This is dominance reimagined. Let me ask you something. Would you take this over a BMW 7 Series or maybe a Mercedes S-Class? Be honest, because after what you're about to hear, that question's gonna get a whole lot harder to answer. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Seville offers two powertrain choices, both dripping with innovation. The first is a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 hybrid, producing an insane 750 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. This beast launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury sedans ever produced by Cadillac. And for those who prefer silence with their sophistication, there's also an all-electric Seville EV variant, featuring dual motors and over 600 miles of range, thanks to Cadillac's next-generation Ultium battery system. That's right, luxury doesn't have to choose between noise and nuance anymore. You can have both. From the outside, the 2026 Seville looks like art in motion. Cadillac's design team didn't just modernize it, they weaponized it. The body features sweeping lines, digital light blade headlamps, and a fastback-style silhouette that makes it look like it's gliding even when it's parked. The grille, illuminated with precision LEDs, glows like a crown, signaling confidence, not arrogance. Every inch is sculpted for presence. It's not trying to look sporty, it's trying to look unstoppable. Now, step inside, because this is where Cadillac reminds everyone why it once defined luxury. The interior of the 2026 Seville is pure indulgence. Think handcrafted leather, walnut inlays, and a panoramic 48-inch curved OLED display that stretches across the entire dashboard. The seats aren't just seats, they're personal thrones, complete with cooling, heating, massage functions, and built-in biometric adjustment that reads your posture and automatically adapts to your comfort. And that's just the beginning. You get AI-driven ambient lighting, a Bose Platinum Quantum sound system, and a silent drive cabin mode that uses noise-canceling technology to literally erase the outside world. It's like driving inside a symphony hall, quiet, refined, and immersive. Performance isn't forgotten either. The 2026 Seville comes equipped with Magnetic Ride Control 5.0, adaptive air suspension, and AI-assisted torque distribution, meaning every turn, every acceleration, and every stop feels composed and effortless. Whether you're gliding through city lights or opening up on the highway, this car reacts like it's reading your mind. The Seville's hybrid and EV variants both feature regenerative combat mode, a technology inspired by Cadillac's Le Mans racing program. It temporarily boosts power for overtakes, merging, or simply showing that the old-school luxury brand still knows how to throw a punch. But let's be honest, luxury is also about presence. And the 2026 Cadillac Seville delivers it in spades. The rear seats are limousine grade, offering reclining positions, ambient lighting that syncs with your mood, and a personal console with climate and infotainment control. This isn't just first class, it's a moving penthouse. Now, let's talk numbers. The 2026 Cadillac Seville price is expected to start around $98,000 for the base hybrid version, while the all-electric Seville EV will command around $120,000.
The official release date is set for early 2026, with global availability in North America, Europe, and select Middle Eastern markets. For those craving exclusivity, Cadillac is introducing the Seville Black Label Edition, a bespoke series limited to just 500 units featuring handcrafted materials, performance-tuned suspension, and a 24-karat gold-plated interior